Hello everyone, welcome back to our English channel. Today, we will talk about how to improve IELTS speaking fast. Many beginners ask, how can I speak better in a short time? Don't worry, I will give you simple tips.
I really need this. My exam is coming soon, but my speaking is weak.
No problem. With practice, you can improve quickly. Let's start. First tip, practice every day, not once a week. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
So short practice every day is more powerful?
Exactly. Speaking is like exercise. You must do it regularly. Second tip, record your voice. When you record, you hear your mistakes. Then you can correct yourself.
Oh, I never record my voice.
Try it. It feels strange at first, but it works very well. Third tip, use simple English, not difficult English. Many students try to use big, hard words, but they make mistakes. Better to use small, clear sentences.
So I don't need to use very hard vocabulary.
No, simple is fine. For example, say, I enjoy reading books. Don't say, I derive immense intellectual satisfaction from literature.
Haha, yes, that is too hard.
Fourth tip, learn and use connectors. Connectors are words like because, so, but, however, for example. These make your speech longer and smoother.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I like football, I play it every day, say, I like football because it is exciting, and I play it every day with my friends.
Ah, that sounds much better.
Fifth tip, practice with a partner. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with someone is better.
What if I have no partner?
You can practice with your phone. Ask yourself a question, then answer it. Pretend you are in the exam.
Yes, I can do that.
Sixth tip, use the ORE method. ORE means opinion, reason, example. This is great for part 3 of IELTS.
Please show me.
Do you think reading books is important? Answer with ORE. Opinion? Yes, I think it is important. Reason? Because books give knowledge. Example? For example, when I read history, I learn about the past.
That is very easy.
Seventh tip, improve fluency, not only grammar. Don't stop after every word. Speak smoothly, even if grammar is not 100% correct.
But teacher, what if I make grammar mistakes?
Mistakes are okay. IELTS wants natural speaking, not perfect grammar. Eighth tip, learn useful phrases. For example, in my opinion, I believe that. To be honest, that's a good question. For example,
these are easy, and I can use them in many answers.
yes, and they make you sound fluent. Ninth tip, don't memorize full answers. If you memorize, the examiner will know. Just prepare ideas and practice speaking naturally.
Oh, I always try to memorize.
Stop memorizing. Just practice with key words. 10th tip, relax and smile. Many students look nervous. If you relax, your brain works better and words come faster.
Okay, I will try to smile in the exam.
Now let's do practice together. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter because the weather is cool. For example, I can play football without getting too tired.
Very nice. You used reason plus example. Question 2. Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
I prefer studying with friends because we can share ideas. For example, my friend explains math when I don't understand.
Excellent. Question 3. What do you do when you feel stressed?
When I feel stressed, I listen to music. It helps me relax. For example, I like soft songs in the evening.
Perfect answer. Now, let's review useful vocabulary. Improve. Make better. Fluency. Speak smoothly without stopping. Connector. Words that join sentences. Opinion. What you think. Reason. Why you think that. Example. Real-life situation. Relax. Be calm, not nervous. Record. Save your voice to listen later. Practice. Repeat many times. Confidence. Belief in yourself.
These words are very clear.
Good. Use them in your answers. So, what did we learn today? Speak every day. Record your voice. Use simple English. Add connectors. Practice with a partner. Use opinion plus reason plus example. Focus on fluency. Learn useful phrases. Don't memorize full answers. And relax in the exam.
Wow, that is so clear now.
Yes, and if you follow these tips, you can improve in a short time. Practice every day, and you will see the difference. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.